The ousted Prime Minister of Bangladesh Sheikh Hasina has accused Mohammed Yunus of turning Bangladesh into a hub of terrorism and lawlessness, and she vowed to return home to deliver justice. The Indian Defence Secretary has said that India would be looking with an open mind to US offer to sell F-35 fighter jets to India. Martin Baker has offered its advanced MK18 ejection seat for the production versions of the AMCA, which is also equipped on the Korean KF-21. The Indian Air Force has integrated the 50 km range helicopter-launched Israeli Spike non-line-of-sight missile system onto its Mi-17 transport helicopters. Bharat-Dynamics Limited has signed an MOU with US-based Ultra Maritime for the local manufacturing of Sonobuoys in India. The DRDO is developing an indigenous 700 horsepower engine for FICV program, in collaboration with Kirloskar Ashok Leyland as development and production partner. Amid reports of developing a lighter attacks variant, Kalyani Strategic Systems has said that it will field its Bharat-52 Howitzer for the Indian Army's 400 towed gun system program. The Indian Air Force has approached Hindustan Aeronautics for a proposal to lease 4 HJT-36 Yashas Stage 2 trainers for evaluation that will pave the way for larger-scale induction. Russia has urged India for fresh trials of its MK18 helicopter powered by the new Russian VK-650V engine. Indian Army has handed over an infantry weapon training simulator to the Royal Cambodian Army. The former chief of the Indian Army General Naravane has said that the AMCA project is still at the design stage, and given the long cycle between design and development, it might achieve full operational status between 2035 and 2040, similar to 16 years for the F-35 to move from concept to operational deployment. His concerns stem from the track record of Hindustan Aeronautics and Aeronautical Development Agency in indigenous fighter development, and he also said that one of the key challenges is the reluctance of Hindustan Aeronautics to involve private sector players in the AMCA program. He also stated that the extensive time required for prototype development, flight testing, operational clearance and setting up a stable production line raises questions about the feasibility of the optimistic timeline often projected by Hindustan Aeronautics. He also stressed that it is premature and unrealistic to compare the AMCA with established fifth-generation fighters like the F-35 or the Su-57 at this stage. Chennai-based firm Data Patterns has unveiled its Sukhoi 2700 X-band gallium nitride-based ASA radar, positioning it as a contender for the Indian Air Force's Super Sukhoi upgrade program. The Sukhoi 2700 airborne radar features 2700 transmit-receive modules, and is a direct competitor to DRDO's Virupaksha radar, that features 2400 transmit-receive modules. The Sukhoi 2700 can detect targets with a radar cross-section of 5 square meters from 350 kilometers, and 2 square meters RCS targets from 250 kilometers, and smaller targets with an RCS of 1 square meter from 200 kilometers. As per latest reports, the 60,000 crore rupees deal for 26 Rafale Marine with France is also going to help in upgrading the body-to-body refueling and other capabilities of the 36 Rafale F-3R fleet of the Indian Air Force. The Rafale Marine deal will also see the Indian Air Force get a lot of ground-based equipment for supporting their operations, along with patches for upgrading the software. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.